Today we are going to learn about the SUMIF function in Excel. So this function is a useful tool when you want to add numbers based on specific condition or criteria. So let's get it on. Okay, so first we have here our sample data sets in which we're going to find the total salary or salaries rather in each department. So first department is the finance. So to start, let's use equals sign, then SUMIF, then open parentheses, then for the range, so let's click this one, then comma, then for criteria, this one which we use, then for the sum and range, use the salary, then close parentheses, then enter. Okay, so the total salary in finance department is 217,656. So before we jump on the second one, so let's lock this one first. So press F4 to lock the rows, this one and this one, then enter. Then you can, so that's done, then drag. Okay, so this is it. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or want to see more Excel tips, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Once again, I'm Vin. For more Excel tutorials, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.